going on, everybody, and welcome to day 23 of the 30-day Technique Tuneup Challenge. I am your host, Doug Doppler, and I've got yet another Jamtrack for you because weekends are for jamming. If you're on Facebook, you can download that link there. If you're on YouTube, it'll be down there. And if you're on Instagram, follow the link in my profile. All right, so this one, just solo over it in the A Minor Pentatonic Scale. Have fun with it, have fun with it, have fun with it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.